1. Mixed vegetable salad. You can use some types of spring vegetables that are rich in protein, such as beans, watercress, spinach, mustard greens, and beet greens. Also try to use crunchy vegetables that are low in calories, such as lettuce, as well as a handful of cabbage. Don't be afraid to experiment with the way you chop your salad greens and other ingredients. Some people don't like the mess of eating large, uncut leaves. You can chop them up however you like. 2. Colorful vegetable salad. For the best salads for a healthy diet, vegetables should be the most abundant component of your salad diet, and the best vegetables for a healthy salad come in a wide range of colors. For a variety of flavors and healthy nutrients, add roasted or raw vegetables from each color category: red, such as sliced tomatoes, sliced red onions, cubed beets, or cold red potato slices; orange, such as sliced capsicum, or cold squash, or orange tomatoes; yellow and white, such as onion cubes, or fresh cooked corn kernels, or chopped yellow beets, or sliced mushrooms, or broccoli; blue or purple, such as chopped purple cabbage, or purple pepper; green, such as thin slices of green onions, chopped green tomatoes, broccoli, cucumber slices, or celery cubes. 3. Vegetable salad with good fat. For your health, your salad probably won't be satiating unless you add a source of healthy fats that will provide you with good calories and still be one of the best salads for dieting as well. A list of vegetable suggestions with healthy fats, and the recommended amount to eat them in the following: avocado, approximately 1 to 2 tbsp; olives, about 5 to 10 green or black olives; olive oil, about 1 to 2 tablespoons medium; nuts, such as almonds, pine nuts, and walnuts, are approximately 10 to 15 nuts depending on the size; seeds, such as sunflower, chia, and pumpkin seeds, are about 1 to 2 medium tablespoons. Salad rich in protein. If salad is the main dish of your meal, you should add a source of protein to get the important muscle building benefits and also be one of the best salads for dieting. You can cut up delicious meat and add it to the salad, but not all meats are good options for the diet. Try to prepare the following types: meat, such as grilled chicken, cooked turkey, or roast beef steak; seafood, such as salmon, fresh or canned tuna, shrimp, or sardines; greens, such as quinoa, rice, or brown rice. Remember that one serving of protein is usually about 3 to 4 ounces. 5. Amazing herbal salad. One of the best ways to add flavor to your salad is to add chopped herbs, preferably using fresh chopped herbs. Try any of these herbs you will find in stores: basil, coriander, parsley, za'atar, chervil. Be aware that most salad dressings you order in restaurants are made with herbs and some types of oils.